Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair trimmer from Pro with a model number BL800. Okay. So it's like this, BL800. At the back, nothing. Okay. And here you got 3 guide combs and our blade protector, charging cable, and I guess comb, little brush and oil. Okay, got 5 watts, 2.5 hours charging time and 4 hours operating time, which is good. Okay, so now I unboxed not long ago a clipper of this hair trimmer, so it's like this. Okay, here, got it. Okay, I guess this is the manual. I guess so. It's not written in English. Not written in English. Okay. So now, inside, you got a comb. Ooh, it's really a good quality. Very good one, but let's open and see. But it's small. Come on, boy. I told you, it's really a good quality, man. Yeah, it's not bad. Here, a little brush. And you got a charging cable, and it's a USB-C. And here you got your guide combs and a big oil, which is good. So here is the trimmer. So inside, nothing. So now let's take a good look. USB-C, exact the same like the clipper. Okay. And here you got 2 speed, I guess 6,000 and 7,000, I guess so, I don't know. So need to test that out. So okay, and the blade. Got a blade. Some check. Best speed. Second speed. Okay. So now let's find out how heavy it is. It's not heavy. It's good. So 201 gram, which is good. So now best speed. So like I said, you cannot zero gap this hair trimmer. Let me open it out. Let me open it for y'all, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, you cannot zero gap this hair trimmer. And if you take if you put a TPOB cycle blade on here on this hair trimmer, it doesn't take it because of the cam follower. Because the cam follower is different from the one of TPOB or from the one of Babyliss. This cam follower is totally different, so it won't work. And as you can see, the tension spring rests on this place here, while the tension spring on this cycle blade or on Babyliss is already on this hair trimmer. Okay, let me show you guys. So as you can see, the tension spring just comes with this blade. Okay, while the tension spring on this is here, so it's not possible. And even though you remove the tension spring, it's fit, but it won't move. It fits, you can screw everything, but the motor will not move. Okay, so as you can see, it fits perfectly. But because of this cam follower, it doesn't fit on. So okay, the question now is this hair trimmer powerful? Yes, it is very, very powerful. With the 2-speed, it is powerful. And it cuts through bulk very easy, which is really, really good. And doesn't make sharp S lines, depending on, if maybe you want to use this hair trimmer for your last finisher. I don't really recommend for that, If maybe you want to make a line with it and then later you use a razor, then it's okay. Simply because this hair trimmer, you cannot zero gap it. That's it for the unboxing of this Pro BL800. And peace, man.